A very good afternoon, everyone. I am Garima Nahar, lecturer in computer science in SS Jain Support PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Rambagh, Jaipur. Today, we are going to discuss the introduction of core Java programming language. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems in 1991 that was later acquired by Oracle Corporation. It was developed by James Gosling and Patrick Norton. It was used to write, compile and debug a program in Java. It is a very simple programming language and it also have a feature of modular programming and reusable code because it have classes to reuse as well as functions. Java was started a project O by James Gosling in June 1991. It was having the OOPS features of C++ also, and the first public implementation was Java 1.0 in 1995. James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton initiated Java language project in June 1991, and this team of Sun engineers was called Green Team. It was initially designed for small embedded systems like electronic appliances, set-top box, microwaves, washing machine, etc. And it was first called Green Talk by James Gosling and it was having a file extension .gt. After that, it was called O and was developed as a part of Green Project. Why Java was named Oak? It is a question here. Oak is a symbol of strength and chosen as national tree of many countries like USA, France, Germany, etc. So the green team chose Oak, but it was already trademarked by Oak Technology. So later in 1995, it was renamed as Java. Why Java programming named Java? When they found that Oak is already a registered name, they started to gather some new names. And the list was Dynamic, Revolutionary, Silk, Joule, TNA. They wanted something that reflects the essence of technology, revolutionary, dynamic, lively, cool, unique and easy to spell and fun to say. But according to James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices among with Silk. Java was so unique and most of the team members preferred Java than other names. Java is in Iceland in Indonesia where the first coffee was produced that was known as Java coffee. It is a kind of espresso beans and Java name was chosen by James Gosling while having coffee means the Java coffee near his office and he thought the name must be Java. And the second choice among this list was Silk. Please remember this thing, Java is just a name, not an acronym. Initially, it was developed by Sun Microsystems and released in 1995. In 1995, when it was released, Time magazine called Java one of the 10 best products of 1995. Means when it was launched and it was in best 10 products. JDK 1.0 released in January 23, 1996, after the first release of Java, there have been many additional features added to this language. And now Java is being used in Windows application, web application, enterprise application, mobile application, cards, etc. Means Each version of Java added new features and we see Java everywhere. This is the list of Java version list, and the latest version is being used is Java SE 16 that was launched on 16th March 2020, and the next version is expected in September 2021. Before we start learning Java, let's get familiar with common Java terms. These are JVM, means Java Virtual Machine. This is generally referred as JVM. Before we discuss JVM, let's see the phases of program execution. First, we write the program, then we compile the program, and at the last we run the program. Writing of the program is done by the Java programmer. Compilation of program is done by the Javac compiler, and Javac is the primary Java compiler included in JDK. It takes Java program as input and generates Java bytecode as output. And the third phase, JVM executes the bytecode generated by compiler, and this is known as the run phase. So, now that we understood the primary function of JVM is to execute the bytecode produced by the compiler, means JVM runs the program. Now we have learned a term also, bytecode. What is bytecode? Each operating system has different JVM. However, the output they produce after execution of bytecode is same across all operating systems. That is why we call Java as platform independent language. And this is the major feature why Java become popular. Javac compiler of JDK compiles the Java source code, means .java file, into bytecode, means .class file, and then JVM execute this .class file. Now JDK means Java Development Kit. While explaining JVM and bytecode, I have used the term JDK also, and as the name suggested here, suggests this is complete Java development kit that includes JRE, means Java Runtime Environment, compilers, and various tools like Javadoc, Java Debugger, etc. And in order to create, compile, run Java program, you would need JDK installed on your system. If you install JDK, then only you can create your own programs. Then JRE means Java Runtime Environment. JRE is a part of JDK, which means that JDK includes JRE. When you have JRE installed on your system, you can run a Java program, but you won't be able to compile it. Here, please differentiate that if you have JDK, then you can create your own programs and run your programs. But if you have only JRE, then you can run the bytecodes only. Okay? JRE includes JVM, browser plugins, and applet support. When you only need to run a Java program on your computer, you would only need JRE. Main features of Java are that Java is a platform independent language. As we have discussed earlier, compiler converts the .java file into .class file, and .class file is a bytecode file, and it creates Java as a platform independent language. Java can run, this bytecode code can run on any platform, either on Linux, either on Windows, Mac OS, etc. Anywhere. By this pictorial representation, we can understand this more easily. Here is Java source code, Java compiler converted into Java bytecode, then Java interpreter, and bytecode compiler converted into machine code. Java is an object-oriented programming language. We discussed earlier that Java was having features of C++ also, means the object-oriented programming language. The main four concepts of object-oriented programming languages are abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Java is a very simple language. It does not have the complex features like operator overloading, multiple inheritance, pointers, and explicit memory allocation. It is a robust language. Robust means reliable. It has some main features like garbage collection, exception handling, and memory allocation that makes Java as a robust language. Java is a secure language as we don't have pointers in Java. It does not access memory locations directly, and several security flaws like stack corruption, buffer overflow is impossible in Java. Distributed in nature because Java programming language have RMI, remote method invocation, and EJB means enterprise Java beans. So it can be distributed. In simple words, the Java program can be distributed on one or more systems that are connected to each other via internet connection. Multi-threading means we can convert a program into multiple threads, and two or more parts of the program can be executed by the multiple CPUs. It is portable because it is platform independent, so bytecode can be carried to any platform for execution, and it makes Java code portable. Thank you everyone. If you have any query, please write me on the given mail ID. Thank you so much.